Hey y'all.
Hey.
We're going to feed our critters.
Feed the critters. We're gonna move the chickens into some poultry netting that was gifted to us by a friend. Yeah. Some of our little chickens, not the littlest and not the littlest littlest.
Little chickens.
But the medium, yeah, we call them mediumist.
Mediumist.
Our medium chickens, mediumist. And
Hope's pulling my hair.
so yeah, we've got Hopi. Hope. Hey baby girl. Hey.
She's too busy looking at the
Look
cow.
at what you doing? What you doing? Yep. So we're gonna feed. All right, you're gonna put Pepper up.
Yep. We gotta get.
She's over. Look at. She's over there waiting to go over today.
Her feed.
Yep. Hey Jack, grab Pepper's feed.
Let's like a peanut hay over here for these guys. Get them all
Yeah.
distracted.
I'll grab her feed if you can. Can you get in without letting the goats out? I'll grab her feed. All right.
All right. You're gonna have to get them distracted.
Yeah.
With peanut hay.
All right. Jack's gonna put some peanut hay over there. You got the gate?
Sure.
Thank you.
This wire is wrapping around the handle, and that was great.
Oh wow. I could probably trim that off.
Yeah. Not with fence on.
Put it on the other side of that post. The other day it was put on this side of it, and it was slid all the way to here.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's yeah, you have to trim that, but I would suggest turning the fence on first.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea. Unless I find scissors with plastic handles.
Yeah. That would.
Woo! All right, let's see. I spun us around.
It's windy out here today, so we have a wind muff on the camera, but it might
we're not sure how good it's working.
Yeah, we don't know.
But we shall see.
All right, I need to feed the goaties.
Yes. Hey, Jack, will you grab the goat feed, Bob?
They might be too happy with their So we have a friend of ours that we've kind of traded some stuff with. They had bought a house a long time ago, but then their people who lived there before had a couple of rolls of the electric
Tango, Mara.
That they left when they moved, the people that owned it before, and so they gave it to us. So we have poultry netting. Mara, come here. No, my peanut hay, come on. There you go.
There's Mara.
Look at you.
Okay.
Tango.
You good to go? There's a bunch of honeybees right here, Dad.
All right, Josiah.
She's like,
It's like, I know, but I'm just going to eat as much peanut hay as I can. Cool, Josiah.
he's doing 8 days.
Yeah.
8 days to go.
Hmm.
All right. What are you doing, little miss?
Feed the chicken. Yeah.
Yeah, let Jakey help. You need help, Lydia, he says. Wow, y'all are such big helpers. Oops.
I just saved 2 honeybees. Prove that I like them.
Well, good. I'm glad you saved honeybees.
And then those 2 honeybees will tell.
Hang on, wait. We're not ready yet.
Honeybees will tell every honeybee, and then they'll be glad.
That's right. The honeybees will know that you are their friend. Hey, what are you doing, miss? Are you getting all the feed loose? Oh. Good job.
Mama, I want to video Hopi.
Now, Daddy got it.
I want to video Hopi.
All right. Might need to cut it open a little more. He's shedding out a lot. Look how sleek he is on his neck and shoulder. There you go.
Mommy, now I know I never need help opening the gate.
You know how to open the gate now?
Yeah. So now I got.
What'd you say?
It's getting a lot more solid.
Yep. He's like, don't touch me. Yep, he's looking good.
Mom, if you were a cow, would you want it to eat it?
If I was what?
A cow.
Would I want to eat chaffee?
Yeah.
Yeah. If I were a cow, I would love to eat chaffee. This is delicious. If I were a cow, I would eat chaffee. Do what, babe? I know. We gotta get pig feed.
Yeah, I'll go grab it.
I'll meet you. Yep.
Okay. Hey, little hopes.
Little hope.
We're going to feed the piggies.
The piggly wigglies. There's a
Hope doesn't
giant
think
ant.
it's too bright.
No.
I know, there's ant hills everywhere.
Oh, Jakey says, wait for me.
Run! Come on!
Mom, Dad.
I'm waiting. Did they decide not to let the chickens out?
No, they're waiting on us.
Oh, okay.
I just said we'll feed the pigs
Good
first.
grief, what a fast runner, Jacob. You are fast, buddy. I said you are fast.
Fast.
Fast man.
I got talking,
What?
I
I don't understand what he's saying.
I don't know.
Oh, Josiah, run and turn the water on, buddy.
All right, little piggles.
They're getting to be bigger piggles.
Yep.
Mommy will
I can
love
hardly step on it
this.
very good now.
Yeah, you could get it. Oops. Up, so it'll.
Look at them.
Let's see. They're getting big.
They are. Oh, don't spray me. Hand it to me. Thank you.
Piggies.
It's gonna shock you, Daddy. Is it shocking you?
Not yet.
Is it now?
Not
This
yet.
pig's ready for a wallow pit.
Move it over here.
Why isn't it shocking you yet?
I don't know. Maybe my shoes are too insulated on the bottom. It's a rubber
Jumpy
tires,
pig.
which is not very conductive, and my shoes are rubber, so probably isn't enough power.
You rather eat.
Fighting.
You mean pig?
Yes, but you might get grass to cut your feet and shock you, baby. Fighters, aren't they, babe? Look
They
at them,
are.
still blocking.
I know. The other one's getting a little mouthful, but
Daddy, right here, would it shock me?
there's plenty there for both of you
There's so much
fatties.
food right there, and they're still gonna fight.
That's what I said. There's plenty for both of those.
Daddy, will it shock me?
I don't know.
Is the grass not...
I sure wouldn't risk it. Look at their little round ham.
You picked a flower? Let me see. Oh, they're beautiful. I love when y'all pick me flowers. We'll have to put them in a jar when we get in the house.
Mom, it's like 1, 2. I don't know. 5, 8.
Yeah, we'll put them in a jar for Mommy with some water when we go in the house, okay? We'll cut the roots off. Not the stems, just the very bottom. You do have two.
Off screen.
Yep. Oh, it's gonna lay in it. Nope. He said, I have 2 pigs. He's showing them his flowers, Daddy.
Are you showing the piggies your flowers, Jakey?
Pigs? I have 2 pigs. 2 pigs and 2 flowers, Jacob.
Do you have as many flowers as you have
Touch
pigs?
the fence with them. Don't touch the fence.
No, don't touch the fence.
It'll shock you.
Yeah. The fence, yeah, he's okay, Jeremiah. He won't touch the fence. He knows better. Right, Jacob?
Okay. All right, let's go turn the water off.
It's a waterfall.
Let it fill up a hole for him a minute. And we'll turn it off.
It's a waterfall, Daddy. No, it's not right now. Daddy!
Yeah, see, Jeremiah, it's a little waterfall right there.
These pigs are going to be great. Look
Yep.
how long.
I
Then it's
know.
not gonna be. It's not a. It's not a waterfall.
Oh, fire ants.
anymore.
Watch out, she's getting fire ants. Daddy, help
Oh,
her.
here, let me see.
Go.
Yeah, are they on your feet still?
It's not a waterfall
They're in
anymore.
her shoe, yeah.
It's not
Here,
in
Jacob, you come away. You don't have any shoes on.
It's not a waterfall anymore.
Those ants are vicious. They start biting
They sting.
or stinging. I always say biting, but it's not. They pinch and sting in circles. They pinch, they grab on, and they turn around in circles. They bite you.
Yes.
They're awful. I mean, not bite, sting. Goodness.
Sting.
Whatever they do. They're vicious and mean, and it hurts.
Yes.
Whatever.
You want me to hold that?
Sure.
Hey, Josiah, you can go turn the water off, buddy.
Where's Jacob?
I'm trying to get the lighting right, baby.
Woo! Hi up there.
Yes.
All right.
Josiah, go turn the water off, bub.
Chickens out.
Free the chickens.
Release the little beast. Right here. Well, let me do it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Ah!
And there they come. Once again.
Jacob thinks he's part of the flock.
Evidently.
I got something cold and wet hit my elbow. I was like, what was that? I realized she drew it
There's
all
hope.
over me.
Yeah. Wow.
So we'll put him in a jar when we get in the house.
Okay. So what do we want to do next? Everything is fed. Do we want to put the chicken wire up? The chicken netting?
Yeah, we'll go get the chicken netting. We'll put the chicks out here.
Okay. Sounds good.
Huh?
All right.
Oh, you check for egg. Okay. Well, don't get in there with your bare feet.
No, don't go barefooted in the chicken coop.
Here, Jimmy. Give him to Jakey. Thank you. I got him. Okay, you get that one.
All right.